Hi, welcome back. This is Mike Birnbaum. In this exercise, we're going to examine in the library module how to view images. So let's get started. If you look closely at the toolbar, you'll see that right now we are looking at the grid view. The shortcut key is G. If we wanted to look at an individual photo, we would select it. Let's say we wanted to look at this cemetery photo, and we would choose the loop view. The letter E is its shortcut. You'll notice in the loop view we see an enlargement of the image. If we go back to the grid view, we can control the grid size by using this thumbnail slider. And I usually like to get the biggest I can when I'm viewing my images after they've been imported. If I wanted to compare all my images, I could use the compare view, which is a shortcut letter C. I'm going to click on it. To do that, first we select our image, which in our case is the cemetery image, and then we can compare it to a new candidate, which in this case is the lizard. If I think that my cemetery view is better, then I can just move forward and compare it. I still like the cemetery view. Move forward. Still like it. And let's suppose that I like this fish better than the cemetery view. Then what I could do is push this X to Y to move it into the cemetery view. So this enables me to compare all my images next to each other. I'm going to go back to the grid view and say if we wanted to look at multiple images, we could use the survey mode. So suppose I wanted to look at the 3 bird images up here. I could click on the first one, command click on the second, and command click on the third. Now when I go to the survey view, which is shortcut letter N, I can look at all 3 of those images together. Okay, let's go back to the grid view. In the grid view, if I wanted to rotate an image, let's suppose an image had come in the wrong orientation, and I'll choose this bird as my example, then I would click on this arrow to rotate it counterclockwise, or this arrow to rotate it clockwise. These 2 arrows here allows us to move forward and back. So if I move forward, I go forward an image, and if I move this arrow, I go back an image. And finally, this triangle here allows us to view an impromptu slideshow. So what we do is we click on our starting slide, push this impromptu slideshow, and then just sit back and watch our slideshow take off. When we've seen enough of our slideshow, we can push the escape key on our keyboard, and it returns us to our images. Well, that's it for viewing images. In our next video, we're going to take a look at how we work with the 2 panels. See you then. Bye.